I'm Sebastian Ferreira, owner of Clean N Pristine. For the last 20 years, I've been helping my customers get their free time back by taking the work out of housework. Like many of you, my customers struggled to find the time to clean their homes. It either didn't get done at all, or it became a frustrating weekend chore. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can regain your time and get your weekends back. At Clean N Pristine, your clean is our business. There's nothing like walking into your home after a long day knowing that it's been professionally cleaned by a company that you trust. A clean home sets the mood for your life and for your family. I'm passionate about people getting the clean that they need. We're happy to customize the cleaning process to meet your specific needs. And you never have to worry about who's in your home. Our team members have had thorough background checks to ensure your safety and peace of mind. At Clean N Pristine, we also guarantee our work. If you're ever dissatisfied with the results, we'll gladly return at no additional cost to ensure that your expectations are met. So, if you're tired of playing catch up with your house cleaning, if you're ready to stop cleaning for others and let others clean for you, then give us a call. We'd love to give you a free quote today.